Hi there, so this is my Norelco Quadra cordless rechargeable shaver. This is a Quadra 7864 XL. These are great shavers. I've had this one for more than 20 years. But they have one problem, and that is the battery wears out and then it's not cordless anymore. It will only run when it's plugged in. The battery isn't that easy to replace because it's soldered into the shaver by these metal tabs on the terminals. So to open the shaver, just take out these two screws. This is a Torx T8 screwdriver, but the screws are slotted, so you can also use a regular flat screwdriver. Now just lift off this cover. So here's the battery. Normally what you'd have to do is remove these two metal clips, lift out this circuit board, and unsolder the battery connectors from the board. That's a delicate operation because the board is also connected to the motor by two fragile copper strips. It's very easy to break those strips while you're unsoldering. But as you can see, this battery pops right out. That's because the last time I replaced the battery, instead of desoldering the tabs from the board, I took a pair of long-nosed pliers and pried the tabs off the top of the battery and left them attached to the board. Then I folded them down into the battery tray. Before we put the new battery in, let's just hit each strip with some contact cleaner. Now we can take the new battery and just leave the tabs folded over the side. Spray those with some contact cleaner as well. Make sure there's no tape or anything covering them. Then just snap the battery in, making sure the positive terminal was on the right. There's enough tension for the tabs on the new battery to make contact with the tabs from the old battery and power the shaver. Now just put the cover back on, tighten the screws, and you're done. So I hope you found this helpful, and thanks for watching.